I know it's been a while and I missed y'all. I really, really, really did. But nevertheless, we are back and we have a new video and we have the Chic beauty box. It's bi-monthly. I don't remember how much it is. I paid for it quarterly, I think, or 6 months. I don't remember. It's late and my brain don't work right now, so we just gonna get into the video, okay? But I don't know, I feel like this one is extra special because there's something else in the box, in the bag, that didn't fit in the box. So let's get into it. Oh yeah, I probably should have had this open for you guys before I started the video, but it's all good. I wanted to be surprised. I wanted to be surprised on camera. But how y'all doing? How your mama doing? She good? That's good. All right, let's see. I'm gonna try not to wake up my husband. So y'all be quiet. Stop making all that noise in the back. All right. Oh, okay. So I guess we'll start with what's not in the box. This is from Suva Beauty, I'm assuming. And it's a Toppers Suppressed Pigment Palette. Yeah, Suva Beauty. I haven't seen any spoilers, but that's okay. And my box is jacked up. But the packaging is cute. And y'all know how I feel about packaging. So let's see. And yes, I am wearing my glasses tonight because I'm blind as a bat. And it's late and I just took my contacts out. But I thought I'd come talk to y'all for a little bit. So let's see what we got in here. Okay. I'm gonna just show y'all because I'm a little confused. I mean, it's pretty, but like, they're all the same color. So we've got Mojito, what is that? Cotton Candy, Lemon Drop, and Daiquiri. Okay, so let me say this. When you tilt them, you can see how like the corresponding circle coloring, it corresponds to the color flex, like the reflectiveness. So like, let's see. We're gonna do Mojito, Cotton Candy. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Lemon Drop and Daiquiri. So can you see? Like this one is the Mojito and it's kind of got some green in there. The Cotton Candy, you could see, I could see it, so I hope you guys can too. It's got that bluish, purplish. Lemon Drop, it's got a little yellow gold in there. And then the, what is that, the Daiquiri, you can see it's kind of like the pink. Okay, so maybe I judged too soon, but that's okay. They're really pretty though. I guess I just wasn't expecting it to be that way. Like, I don't know. But hey, it worked. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's pretty. Toppers are new for me. Toppers are new, so we'll just have to see how we use them and where we use them and how we fit them into our makeup routine nowadays. So, I don't know. But let's get into the box. So it's still pink. Still says Chic Beauty Box. Is that what I called it? I hope so. It's late, y'all. All right. So we do have a card and it is themed for Halloween, which is interesting. I don't celebrate Halloween, so that part's not huge for me. So let's see. This topper palette, holographic topper palette. See, that makes more sense. But yeah, it's $35. And I could kind of see that. Maybe when I learn like the usage and all that jazz, maybe it will like balance out. I don't know. But let's see what else is in the box. Okay. So up next we have, oh, from MAC. Okay. Okay. the Extra Dimension eyeshadow in the color Smoky Mauve. Let's take her out. I was not expecting that. Not at all. That is $20. Look, I never bought any eyeshadow from MAC because number one, they were too expensive. Like, one eyeshadow color was like 20 bucks. And where I was in my makeup life at the time, it wasn't going down. No. She was just getting used to makeup. I wasn't spending $20 on one eyeshadow. You know what I mean? That wasn't happening. But let's see what she looks like. Oh, see, their packaging. Can you guys see that? How it says MAC and then it's got the swirl. So it's definitely got some smoke in it. That's pretty. That's pretty. I can see the Extra Dimension on that. And again, she's $20. Okay, okay. Sorry, I got all that, the topper glitter everywhere. Oh well. Let's see. Up next, we got Cover FX Shimmer Veil for $28. What'd it do? Is this another eyeshadow? What is this? It is. Yeah, it's like an eyeshadow topper. And we got ours in the shade Amethyst. So it's pretty. I likes it. Okay, let's see if we can get it out. Oh, that's pretty. It looks more like an eyeshadow. I mean, a lip gloss. But that's pretty. Do you have to make so much noise? It also feels really creamy and smooth. Like, it does say it's a cream. A pearlescent cream. Perfect for eyelids. But can be used anywhere. Look, it's still an eyeshadow. But it's really pretty, though. Really pretty. And it's smooth. I like that. Alright, she's $28. Don't slam the door, please. Your dad is knocked out. Good night. Stop stomping up my stairs. Good Lord. You think she was running for her life. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Alright, up next, we have some brushes. Who are these by? Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Brush Duo. I would take these out and feel these, but I still have sparkles on my hands. I have makeup on my face, so I don't want to test them out. But I will try these because I was actually looking for a brush similar to this shader brush earlier. That was kind of clean, but I couldn't. And then I found my little switch thingy. So, yeah. But anyways, this brush trio. Did I say duo? Oops, my bad. It's a trio because there's 3. Anyways, this is $18. So not bad, not bad, not bad. And they're pretty. They're gold. They'll work. Okay. We like brushes. All right, is this the last thing? Okay, so last but not least, ooh, okay, I've tried this before and I absolutely love it because y'all know I suck at eyeliner, but this makes it really, really easy. And it is the Maybelline Hyper Easy. Hence the term, Hyper Easy eyeliner. I got lost for words there. But this one is in medium brown. So there's that. It's in medium brown. And I absolutely love this. Whoa. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to open this. This is a pencil. I'm not gonna look for it. But the one I have is like, it's a brush tip. And this one looks like a legit pencil. Now, I use brown eyeliner like when I'm going to work. Well, my bad, because I work from home. Like if I have a game or if I'm going somewhere and it's not super like, doesn't call for the dramatic black eyeliner. But yeah, anyways, let's see what this is looking like. Okay, so this is gonna be fun because I don't do pencils. Like I am a brush tip, felt tip kind of eyeliner gal. But here is the tip. And yes, my hands are dry because I just washed them. So can y'all see that? Yeah. So there's that. And it's super thin. I broke the tip already, but yeah. So it's definitely brown. I don't know if you can see on my ashy brown hand, but yeah, it's definitely brown. But I'm interested to try that because, like I said, I'm a brush tip girl. Because I just sit it on the bottom of my eyelid and I just drag it. So having to draw on my eye, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, dog, but I'm gonna try it out. I will try it out. So we gonna see. So let's recap. Oh, this is $10. And what the brush tip one, they're selling themselves short. But it's a drugstore brand, so I get it. So to recap, we got the eyeliner, the MAC eyeshadow, the brush kit, the creamy, really pretty eye cream, and then we got the topper. Yes, I forget that this card shows you everything you could have gotten in your box. And I think I just chose late again, but I'm not mad at my box. Like, I'm not mad at my box. I was confused. But we gonna learn, because I think it would be really pretty. I don't know. Ooh, oh, that's the mirror. I'm gonna look up some YouTube videos to see how you use these toppers, and we'll go from there and we'll see. Because usually, like, you can't see behind my glasses, but like I just did an inner corner highlight, and I think like this would be really pretty to do. And it's breast cancer month, and I've been wearing pink all month to our games, and so I might go with the daggery shade like as an inner corner instead of the pink from the Too Faced That's My Jam. Is that what it's called? Yes. So I might do the daiquiri. But what I have been putting in my inner corner is just a simple, ooh, I didn't mean to blind y'all, but this pink shade here. Yeah, I thought that was pretty and it fits. So yeah, there we go. So yes, guys, that was my Chic beauty box. Now, did everybody get the same colors? I think no. So let me know what colors you got in your box. And if you've used toppers before, how do you use them? Do you just like put them on top to like, do you use like a shimmer shadow and then you put that on top? Like, how do you use the toppers? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.